Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open up magnifier on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and then tap on touch. So tap on touch here. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next, you could tap on double tap or triple tap. So choose which one you want to use. I'm going to use double tap. Now in here, we scroll down to the accessibility and then tap on magnifier. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now to quickly open up magnifier, instead of using the control center, instead of opening it from settings, from the app library, you can just quickly double tap. This will quickly open up your magnifier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.